Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today, VanEck, yes, the entity that tried to get several Bitcoin ETFs through in 2018, has resubmitted a Bitcoin ETF. I think this was strategic because SEC president or head of the chairman of the SEC, Jay Clayton, just stepped down and we're getting a new administration. Jay Clayton was one of the biggest obstacles in getting an ETF actually passed. And unlike this Ripple case, which Hester Pierce didn't really say anything about, Hester Pierce actually was vehemently against the way the SEC ruled on this ETF. If the new guy, now I think there's like 5 commissioners on the SEC, so we got one at least for the Bitcoin ETF. If we get Gary Gensler or someone else, which has generally been favorable to Bitcoin, that's at least 2 seats. All we need is one more seat to pass the Bitcoin ETF. So I think with the new administration, whether Biden chooses like Gary Gensler or someone else, whether Biden chooses Gary Gensler or someone else to be the SEC head, I do think there's a very, very good chance that this ETF actually passes under the new administration. You got 4 years to pass this ETF. I think there is a good chance it could actually pass next year. And I think an ETF could really blow up Bitcoin prices. And the reason why is that if you have an exchange traded fund, then some of these these retirement or pension funds may actually be allowed to invest in that ETF. They're not allowed to directly invest in Bitcoin because of whatever regulations are out there, but they could possibly invest in an exchange traded fund, and that could represent billions of dollars. Just from like BlackRock and Fidelity's movements, I can sort of like haphazardly sort of guess that they are dying to get in on the cryptocurrency game, and the ETF might actually be their ticket in. These guys have trillions of dollars under management. Even 1% of trillions of dollars buying a Bitcoin ETF could really pump Bitcoin price up. This is very, very bullish news. And I really do think VanEck has a very, very good chance of getting it passed. If not the first time, then like the time after. But I think like one of the main obstacles, Jay Clayton, is actually out the window now. And if we get someone friendly, which I think is likely, like Gary Gensler, we might actually get it passed. So like one of the major prior proponents for exchange traded funds ETF based on Bitcoin is trying again. VanEck has submitted an application to the US SEC for a VanEck Bitcoin Trust. An ETF is seen as advantageous because it trades on the stock market in much the same way as shares in a popular company such as Apple or Microsoft. VanEck has previously proposed ETFs, withdrawing its most recent application in September 2019. Obviously, Jay Clayton was always the one that was kind of stopping it. But now that he's gone and we get a more friendly one, I think this will pass. That might actually open the floodgates to retirement and pension funds investing in an ETF, which would really, really kick jolt Bitcoin's price, perhaps even to 100,000 and above. And hopefully that really jolts altcoin prices too, so we can cash out and profit. So that's what I have to say today. Let me know if you like this video, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.